Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best dashcam for Uber. Here are the top 3 dashcams for Uber that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. BlackVue DR750S-2CH-IR. Full HD video recording on both front and rear offers protection all around to the driver. Easy mounting qualities make it the best dashcam for the Uber or other car services drivers. The dashcam works on capacitors that ensure flawless working even under harsh weather conditions. The GPS in the dashcam offers location tracking in case of emergencies. The Wi-Fi features make it easy to download videos on the phone. At number 2. Vantrue N4. It works using capacitors, which makes it works best even under extreme hot or cold weather conditions. The front and the rear camera work simultaneously and can record videos without any shaking, ensuring all-round protection. The videos are recorded in 4K HD quality, ensuring clear viewing of the car's number plates in case of emergency. Both the cameras of the dashcam work efficiently under dim light conditions. The camera remains on standby until the movement is detected. Collision detection features enable the camera to start recording even if it was turned off. At number 1. BlackVue DR900S-2CH-IR. It can record videos both front and rear in 4K HD quality using the 30 frames per second. Both the front and rear cameras have high megapixels that enable the dashcam to work efficiently even at night times. This dashcam is easy to mount, and its overall characteristics are easily understandable using the manual guide. The dashcam's performance does not get affected even under extreme weather conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS in the dashcam makes it easy to download videos and location tracking, respectively. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.